Imagine this. You're not just watching Baccarat anymore. You're in it. Every card matters. Every second counts. Welcome to Avantage Baccarat, where strategy meets speed in the most competitive twist on the classic game. Unlike traditional Baccarat, where you place one bet and hope for the best, Avantage Baccarat puts you in the driver's seat. 5 simultaneous matchups, real-time odds that update after every card. And the biggest twist? You can place bets throughout the hand, not just before it starts. So, how does it work? There are 2 ways to play. First, single-level pool contests. These run every 6 minutes. Each match lasts 1 hand, with up to 5 betting rounds. To qualify for the prize pool, you just need to make 4 plays during that hand. Once it's over, the top 30% of players, ranked by win percentage, split the prize pool. Second, the Multilevel World Championship. This is for the true competitors. It's a 5-level tournament, modeled after the World Series of Poker. Make it to the finals, and the top 30% take home the winnings. Avantage Baccarat delivers a fast-paced, competitive experience. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Every decision matters. Every second counts. So are you ready? Make your move and join the action. This is Avantage Baccarat. Let the game begin.